Hello, good morning, friends. These are the giant water lily leaves erected from the Amazon River. We are going to see those water lily leaves in botanical garden in the Howrah. Those are the boys of nature. The nature is a wonderful and exciting thing. There are so many wonderful and colorful plants in this botanical garden. And some trees have so many very old that it has many of these trees are many exciting and historical importance in present and in past years. This is a very exciting school trip. That is a learning full and enjoyable trip. Nature is one of the best things in our world. Nature can change its form and its ways. There are many exciting and unbelievable and rare vegetables and flowers. There are many colorful flowers like rose, hibiscus, etc. The exciting vegetables that I will tell you that are such as black tomatoes, black, pink, yellow cauliflowers, black chilies, very big fruits and vegetables. There are so many colorful plants and there are so many exciting. There is a big banyan tree area where very old banyan trees are situated. There are many roots taking out of it. It is a very exciting adventure. I love it and I like it. And if you like my video, please share, comment, and subscribe our video. And please press the bell icon. And please give us stars on it and ratings. Thank you. Have a wonderful and enjoyable, niceful day. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you from mine.